Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Joomla with Nginx, MariaDB, and PHP on Ubuntu 24.04. Since Joomla runs on PHP, we'll begin by installing the LEMP stack. First, update the system packages. Next, install Nginx, MariaDB, and PHP with extensions. Then, confirm with Y when prompted. Next, check the Nginx status. Continue to check MariaDB. And check PHP-FPM. Next, edit the PHP configuration file. Update the following values. Then, save the file and restart PHP-FPM. After that, check the PHP socket. Run the built-in security script. Next, press enter for no root password. Type in when asked about Unix socket authentication. Continue to set a new root password. Next, disable remote root login. Then, remove the test database and anonymous users. After that, reload privileges. Next, create a Joomla database and user. In the MariaDB shell, run the following commands. Next, navigate to your web root. Download the latest version of Joomla. Then, extract the archive. After that, set the appropriate permissions. Next, create a new Nginx configuration file. Add the following configuration. Then, save and close the file. Next, enable the configuration and check the syntax. After that, restart Nginx. Now, open your browser and navigate to the following URL. You'll see the Joomla installation wizard. Select your default language and enter your site name. Enter the new admin user, email, and password for Joomla. Enter details of your MariaDB database and user, then click Install Joomla to proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, click the Open Site to open the default homepage, or Open Administrator to access the Joomla administration dashboard. For the default Joomla homepage, you'll see the following: Enter your admin user and password and click Login. After that, you'll see the following Joomla administration dashboard.